Hi everyone, good morning to you all. Welcome back to science class. In the last session, already we have discussed some important points about magnetic effect of electric current, right? Uh, in the last class, I said about magnetic field, magnetic field lines, and also the magnet. Especially magnetic field. Magnetic field means this is the space around the magnet which can be experienced by the force. Then wherever we keep the magnet, there will be a magnetic field, right? And the rays are emit from the north pole to the south pole. So they are called as magnetic field lines, means an imaginary lines emit from north pole to south pole. So always they move from north to south, they never move from south to north. But inside the magnet, the direction of the lines is different, that is from south to north, only inside the magnet. And also the magnetic field lines are closed, curved at the poles, okay, and they never intersect each other. So today we are going to study the continued part of the magnetic effect of electric current, session 2, right? Now magnetic field due to a current in a or through a straight conductor. So what happens here? When the current is flowing through a straight conductor, the magnetic field is produced. When the current is flowing through the straight conductor, the magnetic field is produced. But one point is here, the magnetic field is produced in different patterns. Magnetic field lines is produced in a different pattern. So this pattern is mainly depend upon the shape of the conductor. So different shape of the conductor, so then certainly the magnetic field lines are also in different pattern. So first let us start the magnetic field due to current through a straight conductor. Here I taken one straight conductor here, straight conductor. Okay, so here the current is flowing through the straight conductor, there is a magnetic field is produced. So the magnetic field is produced in the form of concentric circles, in the form of concentric circles. Concentric circles means the circles which have a same center point but different radius, they are called as concentric circles. Here when the current is flowing through the straight conductor or the straight wire, the magnetic field is produced in the form of concentric circles. Okay, so here the magnetic field is mainly depend upon the current as well as distance of the wire, distance of the wire. So firstly the magnetic field is represented by B. So the magnetic field is directly proportional to the current flowing through the conductor. Magnetic field is directly proportional to the conductor, and here if the current is increased, certainly the magnetic field also greater, and it's vice versa, and it's vice versa. And in the second case, magnetic field is inversely proportional to the distance from the center, or from the center, that is called as what? So magnetic field is inversely proportional to the distance of the wire. So this is considered as equation number 1 and this is considered as equation number 2, right? But here the magnetic field is near the center or near the conductor is higher. The magnetic field is higher near the conductor, and this is goes on decreasing away from the conductor. Once I repeat, my dear students, the magnetic field is greater or very more near the conductor, and it is goes on decreasing while it's moving away from the conductor. That's a very important point. By using equation 1 and 2, we get magnetic field is defined as it's the ratio of current and the distance of the wire. So here, if the direction of the current is in a straight conductor, there is a magnetic field is produced, right? This can be obtained by the Maxwell's right and thumb rule. Maxwell's right and thumb rule. Dear students, now what is Maxwell's right and thumb rule? First, I will take an as a straight conductor. Now, I hold this in my right hand, right? Now, this is the conductor or the straight wire, right? When the wire or conductor is holding in your right hand, then the stretched thumb is indicates direction of the current. The stretched thumb is indicates the direction of the current, and the curly fingers here, this is the curly fingers are indicates the magnetic field. This is the magnetic field. So this is called as what? Maxwell's right and thumb rule. Also, this is also known as Maxwell's corkscrew rule.